Hi, thanks for joining in. We're happy to provide some brief instructions on how to change your group-wide signature template. In order to get started, you will have first needed to download the document signature template and the graphic file signature_mm. Both of these files were included in the email that was distributed. We're going to start by opening up that signature template and making some changes to personalize our own individual signature lines. You'll see that the template is set up so that all of the formatting is already complete. We're simply going to make the changes here on the template. That are appropriate for our job and our title. Changing out the hotel property or the office location. If it's appropriate, we're going to place our hotel's independent website right underneath our hotel location name. If that's not appropriate for your signature line, go ahead and delete that line. You'll also find listings for office, cell, and fax telephone numbers. Please use whichever lines are appropriate, and then go ahead and delete the others, making whatever changes to make them, of course, your own office, cell, and fax phone numbers. Once you've made the appropriate changes, go ahead and copy this information. We're going to use it in just a moment inside of the GroupWise field. After we've made those changes, we're going to open up our GroupWise system. And from GroupWise, we're going to select from the Tools menu, we're going to select Options. And there's a few changes we need to make in the Options area. The first thing we're going to click on is Environment, and that's a double click. And we're going to click on the Views tab. On the Views tab, we want to pay attention to the bottom two sections where it is Default Compose View and Font and Default Read View and Font. And we want to make sure that both of these are selected for HTML. If they're not, go ahead and click on those radio buttons to make sure both are selected for HTML. From there, we're going to click on our Signature tab up here at the top. And if yours isn't already selected, you're going to put a check mark in the Signature field and select New. You're going to have to give your signature a name if you don't already have a signature created. And you'll get a signature box. If you've already copied your information from that template, you're going to right-click and select Paste, and that will put your text information already in. Directly underneath that, we're going to insert a graphic file. And you want to click on the double right arrow. It's right up here next to our bold, italic, and underline icons. We're going to click on that arrow, and a menu will pop up, and we're going to select Insert Picture. From Insert Picture, we're going to click on the Browse button, and we want to find that signature_mm file that we saved in step number 1. We're going to double-click on it, and we're going to click on OK. And you'll see that that will insert that Memorable Moments logo underneath of our existing text information. We have just a few more steps. We want to left-click on that graphic once. And you'll see by doing that we have handlebars that now surround that graphic. Again, we clicked on our graphic once with our left mouse button, and we now have the handlebars around it. And we're going to come back up to our menu with the double right arrow, and we're going to click Insert Hyperlink. In the URL field, we want that to display www.yourmemorablemoments.com. Once that's typed in, we're going to click on OK. We're going to click on OK one more time, and then we're going to click on Close. And our signature line is now set, and we can send a test message. You can go ahead and send this test to yourself and click on Send. You'll be prompted to either add the signature or yours may be set to automatically add. And when that comes through, go ahead and open it on up and make sure that everything is displaying the way you want it to. We should have a solid line followed by our name, our job title, our hotel or appropriate office location, telephone information, and then we should have the Memorable Moments graphic, which is a hyperlink out to yourmemorablemoments.com. If we click on that Your Memorable Moments icon, yourmemorablemoments.com should launch in a brand new window for you. Thanks for joining in today. We hope you found these instructions easy to use. If you're running into any difficulties in changing your signature line, we invite you to please contact the Network Support Help Desk by calling your network support representative. Thanks so much and have a great day.